Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change a team on eFootball. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead and first access your eFootball in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface simply gonna go up here over here once it's done being loaded. Once the loading is done, and afterwards what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead tap on this game plan option just given right there in the green box, and now go ahead tap on this your team's logo over here below the manager's icon, and now go ahead tap on this option called base team settings, and you can see now your base team is Manchester United FC, right? You're going to go ahead tap on it. Now you're going to go ahead choose at the continent, let's go Europe, and now you're going to go ahead change it according to your liking, and you're gonna find one, confirm one, tap on done, and now you can see your base team is now changed. You're gonna go back and you can see now everything is changed according to you, even the logo is changed right just over there. So that's how you can simply change your team. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.